Hey guys, so just install the macOS Ventura developer beta on the M1 MacBook out of excitement, just like a normal user, and I'll try and share my first impressions and the entire experience and whether you should install this right now or hold your excitement for a while. So let's jump in right away. So the first thing that I was really excited for is the visual changes like the stage manager. Now this is how the usual mission control looks, and it is good, but it is not very well organized. But now with this stage manager feature, as you can see, things kind of get lined in a very organized manner on the side panel, so you can easily switch between apps, and also you can see I can quickly switch tabs. But if you want to switch between tabs on the Safari or other browsers, you need to create a new window for every tab so that you can cycle between these. But I personally really love this feature because switching tabs has never been this easy, and it is really good. It's like this tags feature that was introduced in the earlier Mac versions. As you can see, this is how it looks without this tags feature. I mean, completely unorganized, but with this little feature you can see things just look a lot better. So this is sort of the same idea implemented for the multitasking, and the performance for this beta 2 is not too bad. As you can see, this is working just fine, but I'm hoping this would get smoother as we get into further updates. So let me pull up the activity monitor just to show you what is happening in terms of the memory or the CPU. The CPU looks about the same in terms of the usage. I mean, there isn't anything intensive running, and this is how the memory looks. This is the 8GB model. Anyway, it's too early to judge the performance, but here are the Cinebench single core and multi-core results for your reference. Now looking at some other visual changes, the settings looks quite simple. As you can see, almost looks like an iPhone. I mean, things are sort of easy to sort of go through in terms of the sub menus. Everything is right up there on the right panel, but things are rearranged, so obviously we need to get used to it, otherwise it looks pretty simple. Also, the wallpaper section looks something like this right now, and it seems quite buggy. You can also see some new options, like you can choose the blank wallpapers along with some new ones. Also, you can add pictures from albums and stuff like that. Like I said, this is quite buggy, as you can see, so this also should answer the question if you should install this right now. The answer would be obviously no, unless you have a secondary sort of laptop that you want to try it on. Otherwise, for primary usage, you shouldn't. I'm obviously rolling back to the previous version at the earliest. I used this for about a day, and I also did edit this entire video using this beta version, and it was quite slow, and there were beach balls every now and then, so yes, it is not enjoyable at all in terms of performance. I was also very excited about the desk view feature, which uses your iPhone's camera wirelessly. Sadly, I couldn't test it as this is not running on the iOS 16, but this is something that I'm really looking forward to. Now, apart from this, there are some other features and improvements that you can go through here, which I did not really intend to cover in this video. I just wanted to take a quick look and experience the macOS Ventura on the M1 MacBook. So that's been it for this quick video, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, also subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.